Welcome again, and in this video we'll talk about the scan surprise box from PicoCTF. So this is a small box and easy one from forensics. If you have read the description, it's like um, definitely the flag is not in text, then it might be embedded or hidden into any files or something. And they also told the important words are flags or as text and then images. So it might be embedded into the images, correct? Now, if you download the challenge file, and we will go here and see a barcode, right? And if you focus on the scan surprise name in CTF, like most of the time, the names is pretty much most of the things. Okay, the names hide most of the trick and solutions that can be used to solve those boxes. Now, if you can see the scan word, you can definitely understand with the barcode that we need to scan the barcode. And computer, we don't have those tools, right, to scan the barcodes. So we'll use some online tools like you can just search for barcode scanner online. So and you can get multiple tools. So I'll just open the first one. So and just scan, and you will get the flag. That's all. Like the room is like so much easy to solve. But if you yet want to know, like if there is any embedded data or not, what you can do, you can just fire up a terminal like me from here, and you can. I'll just clear the screen. What you can use beanwork, and then the file name. Okay. That is flag.png, and you can check if any embedded data is there. There is no embedded data currently. It's just a PNG image. So that's also shows security that there is no embedded data. We only need the flag, right? And that is into the barcode only. So you don't need to go that much in depth. If we find more boxes like this, we'll then obviously use those tools, and I'll show you how to solve those. For this video or this boxes, that is all. We'll see you in the next box.